Nature in 8mm in 2020. Here's a lake with the tree stumps hanging out, sticking out of the water. The water is low this year. Here's a little fog in the video. Some trees, little islands on a lake somewhere. And then there's the trekker, an unprofessional trekker. Just slowly walks. And some bubbles. Everybody loves bubbles. And here's the water rushing through, full of life. Full of life. Water is life. And Mr. Tree, how are you today?
All right.
Another video of a slow trekker as he treks along. Treks and treks and treks and treks and treks and... Shadow Tree. Here we are, Shadow Tree. More running water. Here's the dirt road. Here's the milkweeds at the end of their journey, puffing out all over the place like snow on an early fall morning. Milkweed here, milkweed there. It is not snow. Not today. Nor will it ever be until winter time. Snow will come. It's a sign. It's a sign. And then they twist the trees with the winds. Another dirt road view. Yes, crows. Fly away, crows. As I slowly walk down my path, grudgingly along this dirt road. The woodpeckers were very brutal on this tree right here. The view. Fall is just upon us, tilting the rocks. Who knew that the leaves would be coming down as the autumn ends? Winter is just around the corner, waiting for us to end the year. Thanks for watching my video.